Hey guys, today we're making souffle egg with cheese. Separate your egg yolks from egg whites. Got some egg yolks in the egg whites? Well, don't worry. Just quickly scoop it out with a spoon before it expands too much into the egg whites. Now put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the egg whites. This will help stabilize the foam structure while you're whisking. From here, I'm just showing you that you can make this by hand whisking or by using the machine. But if you want to sweat, it's all about hand whisking. Respect to anybody who can hand whisk without stopping. I don't know how you do it. I'm ambidextrous, so I just switch over to my left hand, but you shouldn't be stopping or the foam has a huge risk of deflating. Once you reach a stiff peak, so the pointy part will not flop over even if you shake it, you're almost done. Now we break up the egg yolks and gently mix it into the egg whites. You don't want to overdo the mixing because you'll break down that foam structure, so be gentle. Grease your pan on low-medium heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Pour in your mixture and smooth out the surface with your spatula or a back of a spoon. Just something to smooth it out. Put the lid on for 3 to 4 minutes so the egg can cook. If you want, put in your cheese slices now. And recover with the lid. Oh shoot. Try your best to fold your souffle egg in half. Here we go. Your slow motion jiggle. All right, here we go. Ooh, so we get the same squish sounds as the cloud bread I made in my previous video, which was also made with egg whites. The texture is so soft, and it obviously tastes like an egg, right? We only used an egg and some salt. All right, so the one tip I need to really emphasize to you in order to keep your egg soft and fluffy is to not wait too long after taking off the lid to eat it. As simple as this video is, it actually took me 4 tries to realize how fast this egg deflates as soon as you take off the lid. So if you're planning to take pictures, pretty much you better be taking those pictures within at least 20 seconds after lifting that lid. And don't forget, you still have to fold it too, right? So you need to account for that. You can't, you're just going to end up with a soft and deflated egg. It's still tasty, it's just a little sad to look at. If you like the content, drop a like, subscribe, and or just give me a comment. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something today. Bye bye now.